Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you Gong.io tutorial for beginners. How to use Google I/O for sales call, insights and revenue growth. So basically, Gong.io is a leading revenue intelligence platform designed for sales teams to capture, analyze and act on customer conversations. It uses AI and machine learning to record and transcribe sales calls, analyze deal health, track rep performance, and service insights that drive revenue. As of 2025, Gong has evolved into a full sales operating system, helping leaders manage pipelines, coach reps, improving messaging, and forecast revenue more accurately, all based on real conversation data rather than guesswork. How Gong work? So basically, as its core, Gong connects to your sales communication channels: Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Outlook, Gmail, Salesforce, HubSpot, etc. It then automatically records and transcribes all sales calls and emails. Gong's AI analyzes what was said, who spoke when, talk to listen ratios, objections, competitor mentions, deal risk indicators, and even customer sentiment. It gives you a single source of truth based on real customer interactions, helping you make data-backed decisions. So here, how to get started with Gong.io. So first, connect your tools. Once you create a Gong account, start by integrating your calendar, Google or Outlook, video call tools, Zoom, Microsoft Teams or Google Meet. And for email inbox, Gmail or Outlook, and for CRM, Salesforce, HubSpot or others. Gong will then auto-sync calls and meetings, pulling them into your dashboard and attaching them to the relevant contacts and opportunities in your CRM. Then recording and transcriber sales calls, like Gong records all scheduled sales meetings and calls with prospects or customers. These recordings are automatically transcribed with high accuracy, tagged by topic, speaker and keywords, example pricing, timeline and objections. And it organized by accounts, reps, and pipeline stage. Each call gets broke down into an interactive timeline. You can search by keyword, listen to specific parts, and skip to insights like next steps or objections. Then analyze sales conversations. For Gong automatically generates insights for every recorded call, like talk ratios, rep versus customer speaking time, monologue alerts when a rep speaks too much, question rates, how many questions the rep asked, next steps like detected based on phrases like I will send the proposal, and objection tracking, example pricing or competitors. Gong highlights deal risks such as lack of executive involvement, no next steps mentioned, single-threaded deals, and competitor mentions. This allows you to coach reps based on real performance, not assumptions. Then using deal boards to monitor pipeline health. The deal board in Gong is a game changer. It lets sales leaders view all active deals in one place, drill into deal timelines, calls, emails, and meetings, and spot inactivity risk, no contact in X days. Monitor deal progression versus stall deals and see buyer engagement scores, how many stakeholders are active. You can click into any deal and instantly assess all related interactions. This replaces guesswork with facts and ensures you are forecasting accurately. Then sales coaching with Gong. Gong provides coaching tools to help reps improve faster. Managers can review call snippets and leave comments. Use scorecards to grade calls. Example, did the rep uncover pain? Create playlist of top performing calls for onboarding and track individual rep metrics over time, talk ratio, next step rate, etc. Reps receive personalized feedback and can even self-coach using AI-generated recommendations. This turns every call into a learning opportunity. Then the next is email and multi-channel tracking. In addition to voice and video, Gong also analyzes emails, detects tone, length, response time, identifies lack of response risk, and tracks email engagement trends across deals. You can also view omni-channel engagement, all calls, emails, and meetings across deals lifecycle, giving you a 360-degree view of buyer interactions. AI-powered forecasting and reporting. Gong Forecast pulls together rep submitted forecast, actual deal activity, and AI-based predictions based on historical data. You get weighted pipeline forecasting, deal slippage alerts, and custom dashboards to view win rates, conversion trends, sales cycle length, and more. Executive and RevOps teams use this to predict revenue more accurately and uncover gaps in the funnel. How Gong drive revenue growth? Gong helps sale organizations grow revenue by improving rep performance through data-driven coaching and real call insights. Optimizing messaging, identify what a language leads to wins, example ROI versus cost savings, and enhancing pipeline visibility, no more surprises, Gong services deal risk early, enabling scalable onboarding, new reps ramp faster using real proven call examples. Increasing forecast accuracy, leaders forecast based on actual customer behavior, and improving buyer experience, reps are more prepared, relevant, and responsive. Here's the strength of Gong.io is that it has industry-leading conversation intelligence and real-time coaching insights. It has deep integration with CRM and communication tools, powerful deal boards and forecasting, AI-driven engagement risk detection, scalable sales training through real data, and it is used by top-performing scales orgs globally. Here's the weakness of Gong.io is that its pricing is premium, not ideal for small startups or freelancers, no built-in dial, must use external calling tools, may overwhelm new users, so much data requires onboarding, and it has limited to analysis, not an all-in-one CRM or task manager. Gong is ideal for mid to large sales teams, sales leaders, VPS, and RevOps, B2B SaaS companies, account executives, and SDRs, companies focused on scaling predictable revenue. And Gong is not suitable for solo salespeople or small agencies, pricing and scale too much, companies not using CRMs or calendar integrations. If you are serious about scaling a high-performing sales team, coaching reps with precision, and growing revenue based on real data, Gong.io is an unbeatable tool in 2025. It captures what's actually happening in sales calls and deals, giving you the insight to improve, the data to forecast, and the tools to coach effectively. With Gong, you stop managing based on guesswork and start leading based on facts. So basically, this is the tutorial for beginners of Gong.io 2025, and this is how you can use Gong.io for sales calls, insights, and revenue growth. So this is all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.